Hey there! Ready to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency? Today, we're diving into how cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum work, and how you can start trading them on popular platforms like Binance and Coinbase. Let's get started. What's up, everyone? Today, we're demystifying cryptocurrency for beginners. No complicated jargon, just straightforward explanations. Let's jump in. Part 1. What is cryptocurrency? First things first. What exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central authority, like a bank. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are some of the most popular cryptocurrencies. These digital currencies are traded on online platforms called cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. They're stored in digital wallets, which are secure software or hardware devices that hold your cryptocurrencies. Part 2. How does cryptocurrency work? Now, let's talk about how cryptocurrency works. Cryptocurrencies operate on blockchain technology, which is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. When someone initiates a transaction with cryptocurrency, it gets added to a block, which is then added to the blockchain after being verified by a network of computers called nodes. This process ensures transparency and security in cryptocurrency transactions. Part 3. Buying and selling cryptocurrency. Okay, so how do you get cryptocurrency? You can buy it on popular platforms like Binance and Coinbase using fiat currency, such as dollars or euros. These exchanges allow you to trade fiat currency for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Ripple. Once you have some cryptocurrency, you can use it to buy goods and services from merchants that accept digital currencies. Additionally, many people hold onto their cryptocurrency as an investment, hoping that its value will increase over time. Part 4. Keeping your cryptocurrency safe. Now, let's talk about keeping your cryptocurrency safe. Since it's all digital, there's a risk of hackers trying to steal it. That's why it's crucial to store your cryptocurrency in a secure digital wallet. Popular cryptocurrency wallets include hardware wallets like Ledger Nano S and software wallets like Trust Wallet. It's essential to choose a wallet that fits your needs and to follow best practices for securing your private keys and passwords. Part 5. The future of cryptocurrency. Finally, let's discuss the future of cryptocurrency. Some people believe that cryptocurrency could revolutionize the way we use money, offering faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions than traditional banking systems. However, others are more skeptical, citing concerns about volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and the potential for misuse in illicit activities. Regardless, cryptocurrency continues to gain traction as more individuals, businesses, and institutions explore its possibilities.